Hi people, did you get any dreams that you travel somewhere and then you dream of it again? And then it continues. Like something you get continue, like it continues, like you dream of something, then it says to be continued or something. Well, it could be something like that. Oh my god, what's that? That was weird, huh? Oh! It continues like crazy. I don't like your house exploded or something. It exploded. I don't know how, but it exploded. Oh my god, it exploded. Yeah, whatever, it exploded, so whatever. So, I don't know what happened. In your mind, maybe it's all because of your ugly sense, what you're thinking a long time ago. Or now. Like, I don't know. It exploded, then everything got messy.